So again, marketing, Google reviews are very important. In this case, Amazon reviews, or no, not Amazon, but Apple reviews and Spotify. Spotify's big too, man. I think we got 65 or so Spotify reviews. So
How do you
I'm
go
like,
about that?
Anytime somebody guests,
Okay.
I go to the guest and I say, man, it's really an honor to have you here. It would mean a lot if you could just write your honest feelings about the show.
Yeah.
And I always say, I don't say, give me a 5-star review. I say, I want your honest opinion. You were a guest on the show. You may have listened to a few episodes. You may just know me and know the conversation we had. Give me your honest opinion. It'll help other people find it. And that's how I started out getting reviews. Now, of course, some are organic as well. Then here's the other thing I did is that when I guested on other people's shows, I went and proactively gave them a 5-star review on Spotify and Apple. And I would say, man, I just gave you a review on your show. I love growing shows and reviews are a big way to do it. If you have a moment and you want to check out my show and leave a review, that'd be awesome. And I'll leave them the links.
On this podcast, I've mentioned to our listener more than once that if you're going to ask for reviews, you should ask for an honest review and not a 5-star review. And so I thought it was interesting because you're the first other person besides me who's said that. And I want to get your full feelings on why. Because think about our listener who's going to be asking for reviews. Naturally, they would naturally say, I want a 5-star review. So why, Matt, why are you not just saying, give me a 5-star? Give me the pros and cons there.
It just sounds cheesy. It's like coerced. I don't know. It feels better to me to just say, I just want your authentic feelings. And if it's I feel better making the ask when I say, I just want your honest opinion.
Yeah. And what I've noticed is out of about 100, you have like about 99 perfect 5-star ratings. So you've asked it all of these times and it continues to be 5 stars. It continues to be 5 stars. Why do you think that is?
So before I get on any show, I send the person I'm going to be talking with love and blessings. Adam, you were blessed before I saw you.
Okay.
And it puts me in a heart space of being really honored to be with the person I'm with and in tune with what they care about and wanting to make a positive difference any way I can. Maya Angelou said, people will forget what you said, they'll forget what you did, but they'll never forget how they made you feel. And I just think that I'm coming to each show wanting the person I'm talking with to feel really honored and respected and cared for. And so then their honest opinion about how it was to be around me is usually pretty good. So that's a tip, man. This is like, this is a how to podcast. I always research my guest. I always research my host. I'm listening to your show before I get on it. I'm taking notes. I've got 2 pages of notes of what I'm going to talk about today before I even, talk with you, because I want to have a game plan about how I can add value to your audience and how I can talk about what I do that's going to make a difference for your people. That puts me in a position to make you think I'm a good person to review highly.
Yeah. And I like how you said something to the effect of it's cheesy to ask for a 5-star review. I think it does feel, to me at least, it feels cheesy to say it. And the other thing is when I'm on the receiving end, if you ask me to give you a 5-star review, I might not even review you because I want to give you a 5-star. I want to, but I might not even do it because I feel like the 5-star didn't come from me, that it came from you.
It was coerced.
And that it can't be authentic anymore.
And it was
so I'm
coerced.
like, no, I'm not even going to write a review because
yeah,
he's the one who told me to do a 5-star. But
Yep.
if you say, can I get an honest review? I'm like, hell yeah, man. And I jump in, I start writing, and it becomes a 5-star anyway.
And it's usually the words they say are better.
There you go. I like that.